Hi, welcome back to the EaseUS channel. Hey everyone, it's Alex, back with another gaming adventure. Today, I'm going to show you how to pull off the ultimate prank using the EaseUS Best Real-Time Voice Changer for PC. Let's have some fun and turn my voice from male to female. I'm about to jump into a game of Battle Quest with my buddies. They have no idea what's coming. Let's see how long it takes for them to realize they're talking to Jessica instead of me. Here's the magic trick. I'm using the EaseUS Best Real-Time Voice Changer for PC to switch my voice from Alex to Jessica.
Change your voice in real time with EaseUS VoiceWave.
This software is super easy to install and even easier to use. My grandma was able to do it too, and she is the one who is calling the TV remote, the clicker. Let's get started.
Hi there, I'm Jessica, your new favorite gaming partner. Let's see how the guys react to me joining their team.
Hey, Alex. Ready for some epic quests?
Hi guys, actually Alex had to step out for a second. I'm his friend Jessica, filling in for him.
Wait, who's Jessica? Jake never mentioned you.
Oh, I'm just here to help you guys win some battles. Don't worry, I'm a pro at this game.
Wow, Jessica, you're actually really good at this.
Yeah, we might need you on our team more often.
Thanks guys, maybe I'll stick around more often. Alright guys, I've got a confession to make.
What's up?
It's been me, Alex, the whole time. Gotcha. All thanks to the EaseUS Best Real-Time Voice Changer for PC. It's perfect for pranks, streaming, and adding some fun to your gaming sessions. You can customize the settings, change the pitch, volume, or timbre. It's like having your own voice studio right on your PC. And you can use or create hundreds of voices, male, female, robots, minions, and much more. So there you have it, folks. If you want to spice up your game nights or just have a laugh with friends, check out the EaseUS Best Real-Time Voice Changer for PC. You won't regret it. Ready to become a prank master? Download the EaseUS Best Real-Time Voice Changer for PC and let the games begin.
Transform your voice, transform your game.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome gaming tips and pranks. Catch you in the next adventure.